Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the introduction class of machine learning. So, in this class, we are going to learn very emerging, trending techniques about machine learning. So, this is the introduction class. I am your instructor, Ms. Lavanya, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Bishop Heber College. Let's start our class. So you need to know what is machine learning, isn't it? So before we go for a machine learning actual definition, before that, you consider this. There are two persons are in the screen, isn't it? The one is human, another one is machine. So the human asked said one question is that I can learn everything automatically from experiences. Can you learn? The question is that the human directly asked the question to the machine. I can able to learn everything from the experience, isn't it? The famous quote is that learn from the mistakes. Like that, everything the human can able to learn from the experiences. For example, in our first standard itself, you were learned number systems, isn't it? So till now we can able to use wherever we want about the numbers concept without being learned day by day, isn't it? We were learned in a first standard, we can reuse that experience which has been stored in our brain. Whenever we need a number system, we were using that system, isn't it, based on the experience. Like that, the human asked that can you able to learn from your experience. The machine said that yes, I can also learn from the experience with the help of machine learning models. The deeper we can able to learn what is machine learning models and the types of models. Before that, we need to know the actual definition of the machine learning. So what does that means? The machine learning is that it will learn from the data, improve from the experience, and predict the things without being explicitly programmed. So the definition is that the machine learning models can able to learn certain amount of data, then it will be improves their performance from the learned data. Finally, it will be predict the things which will be happen in the future. In the future, these are the things, these are the three steps has been done in a machine learning without being directly programmed, without being explicitly programmed. So we are going to look on to the very modernized definition which has been proposed by Tom Mitchell, the author called Tom Mitchell. So what they are trying to define the machine learning is that a computer program is set to learn from the experience E with respect to some classes of tasks, that means some collection of tasks T and performance measure P. If it is performance at the task is in T as measured by P and improves with experience E. So this is a modernized machine learning definition which has been proposed by Tom Mitchell. So let's move on to this. What are the applications where we can apply and implement the machine learning model? Nowadays we were applied all those fields, for example in a Google Translator itself, in a YouTube itself, all the recommendation systems are working, isn't it? The YouTube, you were searching certain things, means it will be recommend some videos which has been you were searched pastly. So like that we were applying the machine learning models everywhere in the fields. Some example I have been given here is that image recognition, speech recognition, traffic predictions, product recommendations, self-driving cars, email spam prediction, virtual personal assistant, online fraud detection, stock market trading, medical fields, automatic language translations like Google translators are there. These every fields, these are has been implemented using the machine learning concepts. Let's come on to that important part of the machine learning is that the machine learning can be classified into three types of based on the data structure. The machine learning concept has been classified into three elements. One is that supervised learning, the second thing is that unsupervised learning, the third one is that reinforcement learning. So consider in a supervised learning, the data has its own labels and class names. In unsupervised learning, the data doesn't have any labels. It must be, it's unstructured data. The machine will learn certain patterns from that data. Based on that pattern, it will be learn some new things. The reinforcement learning, which is like a trial and error method. If the machine is performed well, means it will be appreciated. If it is not, if it is failed to achieve some level of accuracy, means it will be evaluated again. The performance will be increased through certain measurements. These are the three classifications of a machine learning model. So come on to the history of machine learning. The machine learning is not a new concept which has been proposed in the year of 1970s itself, but nowadays only it has been implemented properly in many fields. So which is the machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. So in the 1940s itself, the artificial intelligence, the robotics has been introduced. So in the 1970s to 1990s, the machine learning has been emerged. The technique has been more proposal has been done in the machine learning. Nowadays, which has been applicable to all the fields. So these all about machine learning. I hope that you gain some insights from this class. I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you, students. Keep learning and enhance your learning. Thank you all.